Hey guys, welcome to another Access Company video. My name is Jafet. So today we're going to install a KW DDC on Brian's Alfa Romeo. So first, we're going to disconnect the battery. But before that, we need to make sure that the windows are fully closed, because if we don't do that, we have to do window relearn procedure. Which sucks. So next step is to disconnect the wire harness from strut. And then we have to remove the brackets so we can access the bolts that's holding the struts. So now we're going to remove the wheels. Stop. So now with the wheels off, we have to remove the 3 nuts that's holding the strut. So to remove the old struts, we have to loosen this top ball joint, remove the sway bar end links, and loosen these 2 nuts that's holding this bracket, and remove the bolt, the lower bolt that's holding the struts. So we need an E14 Torx and then a 17 mil socket. Now moving to the rear of the vehicle, we have to remove these two nuts to gain access to the three bolts that's holding the shock absorber and to gain access to the connectors that we have to disconnect before removing the shock absorber. This looks like a 10 mil bolt nut, sorry. This looks like a 10 mil nut. So now having access, we have to disconnect this connector and this connector and loosen all these three bolts that's holding the shock absorber. So right now I'm disconnecting these two connectors. Before removing any bolts and nuts, you guys have to make sure that you support your lower control arm with the jack, just to support the tension from the spring. So now we are going to remove the bolt that's holding the shock absorber, and this one looks like an E18 works, and yeah, let's do it. So this bolt looks like it's 13 mil. And now shock absorber is down. Okay, so what we did for the springs, so on the bottom, the jack is still supporting the lower control arms. What we did is we removed the bolt and nut that's holding the lower control arm to the knuckle, which allows us for more movement. And we also disconnected the sway bar links